This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Katie Howlett. Rare to the market first floor, one-story Link Harbour condo, situated on the Little Neck Creek leading into the Linkhorn Bay. This tastefully updated waterfront condo features 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, an open floor plan, updated kitchen and baths and great views. The master bedroom boasts an ensuite spa-like bath and built-out walk-in closet and has a private entrance to the deck. This condo comes with a deeded boat slip and has a grandfathered hot tub on the deck. Low condo dues of $266 a month cover dock and ground maintenance as well as trash pickup. Additional features include 2 storage closets, a large east-facing deck, perfect for enjoying sunrises and fireworks, and assigned parking. This home is in close proximity to the excitement of the boardwalk, but set in a